Have you ever noticed someone close to you having difficulty remembering small, everyday things? Perhaps you've noticed subtle changes in this person's behavior or habits. These signs may seem harmless at first, but they could be signs of something much more serious. Today we're going to talk about the 6 early signs of dementia that you should never ignore. It is crucial to be aware of these silent symptoms, as the sooner the diagnosis is made, the greater the chances of slowing the progression of the disease and improving quality of life. Shall we understand better? Before we dive into the signs, it's important to understand what dementia actually is. Dementia is not a single disease, but rather a general term used to describe a group of symptoms that affect memory, thinking, and social skills, making everyday life difficult for those affected. The most common form of dementia is Alzheimer's, a progressive disease that slowly recovers memories and other important mental functions. Let's now look at the first signs that often go unnoticed. The first and perhaps most notable sign of dementia is short-term memory loss. We all forget things from time to time, but when memory loss starts to affect everyday tasks, like forgetting appointments, where you left simple objects, or repeating the same question over and over again, it's a red alert. This is because Alzheimer's mainly affects the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for forming new memories. Another early sign of dementia is difficulty planning or solving problems. This can manifest itself as an inability to follow previously simple recipes, or difficulties dealing with numbers and accounts. As the disease progresses, tasks that involve planning or problem solving become increasingly challenging, even for people who were previously organized and efficient. If you or someone you know begins to show confusion with time and space, this could also be a warning sign. Dementia patients often get lost, even in familiar places, and may forget how to get to a certain location. Furthermore, they lose track of important data and events, and this can make them feel out of place in the present, as if they live in a different reality. Tasks that were once automatic and routine can start to become complicated. This is another early sign of dementia: difficulty carrying out familiar tasks. Activities like driving to the grocery store, preparing a meal, or even operating the remote control can become confusing. This happens because the ability to follow instructions and remember simple steps deteriorates over time. Another classic sign is difficulty with language. This may include an inability to find correct words, or replacing words with ones that don't make sense in the context. A person can stop in the middle of a conversation and have no idea how to continue. This type of difficulty can cause embarrassment and frustration for both the individual and their family and friends. Finally, sudden changes in mood and personality are also silent signs of dementia. This can include irritability, anxiety, and even depression. A person may become more suspicious, stubborn, or apathetic towards things that previously aroused their interest. These changes are the result of chemical and structural changes in the brain as the disease progresses. If you notice any of these signs in someone close to you, it's important to act quickly. Although there is not yet a cure for dementia or Alzheimer's, early diagnosis can help slow the progression of the disease and improve quality of life. Talk to a specialist doctor, seek guidance and support, and never underestimate the importance of identifying these symptoms early on. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more information about health and well-being. Taking care of our mind is as important as taking care of our body. Until the next video,